guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you here. So today I am doing a video on slime pet peeves. When it comes to slimes, I have so many pet peeves when it comes to watching people play with it or make slime. So yeah, this is just a few of them, and just take this into mind that these are all just my personal opinions. Please don't take these into offense because this is just for the purpose of entertainment. So yeah, I just wanted to put that disclaimer out there. Also, we hit 50 subscribers, I think, just a little bit ago this week. And I am so happy to hear that because we are halfway there to my goal of 100. I was thinking at around 75 subscribers, I would do just a video on all of the rules and how I'm going to be doing the giveaway along with all the prizes. As usual, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Subscribe and definitely click the like button so that I know you guys love my trashy content. Alright, that's enough talking. Let's get on into those slime pet peeves. This slime is so clicky, it has such amazing bubble pops, and I don't think you guys want to hear it, so just enjoy watching me play. This slime is so crunchy and so obviously pokeable. Sorry for all that background noise. I live on a farm by Jurassic Park. Can I just say, this clear slime has to be one of the best slimes that I can spread with. It is so freaking spreadable. Okay, so here I have one of my bestseller cream cheese slimes. This is Grape Burrito. You can see that it is scented like cotton candy and has these really pretty foam beads along with that really pretty pink cream cheese base. Okay, so I just got this slime from the mail. You can see it's so nice and thick. It doesn't need any activator, although they did provide me with it. You can see it's really nice and clicky, stretchy, and has super amazing bubble pops. Did you guys enjoy that video? I hope you did, because it seems like you guys made it toward the end. Slime video was so fun to film and do a voiceover, since I just thought playing these roles were absolutely hilarious. If you guys want a part 2, I will put a poll up there. This was really fun and I do want to do it again, since I do have way more pet peeves. As usual, remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video, and hit the like button so I know you guys love my trashy content. We are so close to 100 subscribers. If you're from my school, hi, I make slime videos and please don't judge me. But yeah, share this video with all people you know. I really want to make it to 100 by the end of this summer and host that slime giveaway. I think it would be so much fun to have. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!